This is the third day, and I just realized that I haven't done much uh, travel in the Rome because I'm just busy with this conference. But I will try to show on this street how the normal daily life looks here. This is the 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And I love the fact that they have everywhere in the corner there is a shop for food like pizzas, and just on the way you can get something. That's really nice. I have to go there, the Palm Local, to get the sandwich maybe. I have to cross this way. No! Stop, stop. I didn't follow the signal, but I am late. So I'm already so late. I have to be there at 8 and it's 10:30. But I have to get the food, so that's why I'm here. Made it to the food place. I have to take those sandwiches. Those. This is the FAO's building we have to go. And God, I'm so tired. Just 1 hour, but I'm still feeling so tired with that bus ride. It was so fucking crowded. God. And after the security, you have to scan your this QR code is here somewhere, and then only you can enter. There are so many people.
Choose the language and listen through the headsets provided for your desk. The dialogue will be organized as the following. We will start with the opening ceremony and loud performance, followed by 2 high-level panels, and then a panel discussion and then the closing. Now, I'm very pleased to invite Mr. Abdul Hakim Elwer, Assistant Director General and Regional Representative for the Near East and North Africa of FAO, to take this stage and moderate the opening session. Please.
Большое спасибо. Уважаемые Генеральный директор Андрей Свидетель вода для жизни 2005-2015 годы. Международный год был закончен в 2013. Международный десятилетний действий вода для устойчивого развития 2018-2028 годы, а также Международный год защиты ледников 2025. Под организацией этих инициатив был накоплен ценный опыт, который поможет нам в решении новых ответственных задач в сфере водных ресурсов.
And futuristic project of Gallup Mindfulness City, which can briefly mention. It is a pioneering modern urban development project that seeks to blend the technology, spirituality,
responsibility to not just preserve our environment, but to also protect it for all for our future generations. And this
2 days, almost finished the 2 days. Things I wanted to see or do, so maybe I would just go somewhere. Let's see. I know I have said last time that I might not come here, but I am here the next morning, next night. The central touristy part of the Rome.
Turn left onto Via della Panetteria.
This my lady is always giving me directions, which I don't really hate, but she always gives it when I'm recording. So I'm again going from that waterfall sort of thing, which is very famous on the internet, and I doesn't get the hype.
Continue straight onto Piazza di Trevi.
Okay, I'm continue straight, but there are so many people just to see that waterfall and throw a coin in that. Make it make a sense to me. See the people, ocean of people. I mean, I get it, it's beautiful, but why?
Continue onto Via del Lavatore.
Parampara, param 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 param. This is how it looks from near. So many people are waiting in the line. The line is from there to go. I don't know, line or ticket, or I don't know, but it's there.
Lo conosci? تطلع من هذا. أقول لك ليش جينا لهون طلعنا من غاب.
So from the place behind me, it was like Pisa Tavolini, something. I got this street food sort of thing from Italy that you can find anywhere. The name of the dish is called supli. Supli. If anybody is watching here from Maharashtra, supli, we know what we call supli. I'm looking so dark, but supli, the name of the dish, I got it. And the lady was asking me, oh ma'am, it's just 2 pieces because it's so small. So this dish is like a rice wrapped in a cheese. Sorry, cheese wrapped in a rice, and then it's fried or sort of things. I want to try this. So should I just go inside the KFC and try this? Because who knows? Who will know? But I shouldn't. So I will just try now. Will keep you in my hand. Oh, this is how it looks. It's like a fried ball sort of things. And let me just try it now. I told her it should be vegetarian. Normally they put the meat inside this. It's really nice. There's a cheese. 10 on 10, I think you should really try this. Just trying the pizza I got on a random shop. It is just for 5 euros. I guess, yeah, 5 or 4 euros, 2 pieces or something. And it is so good. Like, now I feel like all the pizzas I have eaten in my whole life are scam. Like, wow. You should come to Italy just for food, guys. Like, take my advice. Please, just for the food.